In this video, we'll show how to use product feeds to list your products on platforms like Google and Meta. Feeds are customizable, so you can also use them with many other external platforms. From the left menu, select Products, then go to Feeds. Click the Add New Feed button to create a new feed. On the right side, choose the appropriate schema for the feed, review the other settings, and confirm. Once the feed is created, it will appear on the page. It may take a moment for the feed to generate for the first time. From the three-dot menu, you can copy the feed link and generate a shareable URL. You can use this link, for example, in Google Merchant Center to automatically sync your products. From the same menu, you can also edit the feed or adjust its settings later if needed.